Ever downloaded an image, dragged it into DaVinci Resolve, and suddenly everything breaks? Black frames, media offline, maybe the whole app crashes for no reason, but then you open up the same image in Photoshop, export it, and just like that, it works. So, what's really going on here? Is Resolve broken? Is your image file corrupted? Or is there something deeper in your workflow? Let's break it down, and I'll show you 2 professional ways to fix this for good. First, the common misdiagnosis. Most people blame DaVinci Resolve. Resolve is buggy, Premiere works fine, Blackmagic needs to fix this. But here's the truth. That's not what's happening. Resolve isn't failing at random, it's actually working exactly as it should. Professional software like DaVinci Resolve has high standards. It only takes files that meet those standards. If your media is out of spec, Resolve won't risk guessing. It just rejects it. So, what's actually wrong with these images? The issue isn't the image itself, it's the format and the metadata. These days, most images you grab online are WebP files, progressive JPEGs, PNGs with weird color profiles, or have broken metadata. They're made for web browsers, not for video editing. DaVinci Resolve is GPU-driven and expects standardized, predictable image data. If the data is inconsistent, Resolve doesn't try to fix it. It just refuses the file. Photoshop works because it rebuilds and standardizes the image when you export. Here's the fastest fix if you have Photoshop. Go to File, then Scripts, then Image Processor. Pick your source folder. Choose where to save. Set the format to JPEG, quality 10 or 12, sRGB color space. Run it once, and all your images will be Resolve friendly. If you care about color consistency, this is the way. No Photoshop? Try an external batch converter like XNConvert. You can process hundreds of images at once, strip all the weird metadata, force JPEG or PNG output. It's fast, free, and effective. Just know you lose some control over color management, but it gets the job done in a pinch. Why does this happen? Because internet images are optimized for small file size, fast loading, and browser compatibility, not video editing. If you skip normalizing your images before importing, you're choosing instability, plain and simple. So, here's the real workflow fix. Stop scrambling inside the edit. Download your assets, normalize the format and color space, verify compatibility, then import into Resolve. Skip this, and you guarantee yourself chaos every time.